Hello. Give me a sec. There we go. Okay, so yo, what's up, people? How you doing? Hope you're doing great. So far, I believe. We are working over the open admin box back, even though we have rooted it, but we are working on it. Just give me some time and we should be good. Uh, if I'll do this and save it. Oh, it is saving the screenshots. Upload from here. Pictures, screenshots. This one, I believe. Just give me some time. I'll be there. I'm actually giving someone the script. He gave me to test it. Or I would say I gave him to test it. Now I'm testing it myself. We will. Okay, let's give a shot. I think our terminal has been killed. Yep. Collapse this. And if we do code not here, dot slash, it was in Chronos. This. I'm doing fine, brother. How about you? And if I'll do dot slash this, dot slash Chronos, enter. 9001, enter. Would like to change term value? No. And if I'll start this back, we got a connection, but I don't think we will be able to perform it. I'm also doing good. By the way, I have an question. Yeah, shoot. Let's see if I can answer that or not. I'm waiting for a question. Okay, like during previous, we sometime find new binary. Like today I found a binary called mouse server, and I took the help from my brother to solve the machine. If you would be there, how would you tackle? Like in the previous, it is not always the one way to like conquer the machine or something. Sometimes you can find like there are multiple ways to perform a like same action. In the previous, if you remember, yesterday we did how we did it with the which box we last solved. I'm forgetting the name. It wasn't a blunder. Give me a sec. Where was it? Before this Chronos, doctor. So we saw the doctor, right? So if I'll go here, and in the previous, we found two ways to perform the privilege escalation over here. So this is a one, and escalate the privilege using the poll kit. So we will remove it, and this is two. So sorry. So when I ran the like over here, where is it? Lin piece, I found that there is also another way to like escalate the privilege. And when I was looking at it, you see over here, execute a Linux exploit suggester. So when it was running, we found that there is a vulnerable to this CVE, and it was color coded into the red and yellow, but the intended way was different. What we did was unintended, but we got the root shell in a both manner. So over here, there the poll kit that we triggered first, and this was unintended way where I just copied the script and put it into the machine. It created another user which has the permission to elevate the privilege of or like not elevate the privilege, but can perform the sudo action and get to the root directly over here, sudo root. And when we did sudo root, it dropped the request, but when we did sudo bash, we directly got the root at the doctor, and who am I, we got the root. This was an unintended way. So over here I forgot to put there. Oh and the second one was over here, which was actual method where you have to use the Splunk CVE to like elevate the privilege. So there can be multiple ways to tackle a same problem. Also, there could be a way where you have to do your own R&D to over the box. Like how you have to understand how something is working, how the connections are built. I think in the same box, we was looking for the username and password. If we go all the way up, yeah, here. So when we was working around it, the first few things that we always tackle is when we got the user access. First, we try to perform the switch user SU and the username. You can really get it into the home and the other place. I'm pretty sure you're talking about the Linux machine. There are like different ways for the Windows and Linux. And when we got the username, we try to SU whatever the default passwords we have. We try to use those, apply those, and see if we can go to the other user. Like if we are using the Jimmy, if we perform the SU Jimmy, will we be able to get into that user or not? So that's the other thing. The other one was if we have any sort of like process running, or we have the permission to run any action. For example, if we do sudo -l, I believe this user didn't have the permission to perform any sort of action. So Ninja Warrior. We'll check here. Enter. Yep. This user don't have any sudo or sudo permission to run any sort of file, so we cannot trigger that file. The other method is we can check for the processes using the ps-aux and pipe or root. Before that it will be grep. Enter. Now we have all the processes that are running with the root, and after that we can go and check which one we can access and using which process we can elevate the privilege. So this is another one. And third method is we can check if there is any service over the system running that we are not aware about. So for that we use ss-tln. So here we have some other ports or services open over here. So you can find the vulnerability in other places too. For example, if it is running some sort of other software or like anything, if we go over here, there's a domain, there is a SQLi. So we can use the SQLi to perform the privilege escalation also. We can use the HTTP domain that is running over here. We can check what sort of services it's running. If it is running the outdated stuff, we can look for its CVE, and we can also check by accessing that service if that service itself holds some sort of like function that can help us elevate the privilege. Then the next one was, I'm forgetting. There was actually five or six ways we can perform. I'm forgetting the two, but the next one is if you just come back from the like one application and you don't have the database or some other stuff that or the access of the other user, you don't have any information on that user, you can check if you're tampering with the web application. That web application must be running over some service, right? It can be Apache, it can be an Nginx, it can be any other service that supports the like web hosting itself. So you can check their log. If we go over here and try to locate Apache 2, enter. Here you have all the files related to the Apache, and if we pipe grep dot logs, enter, nothing. What about .log? There we go. We have some files which contain the .log. So over here, varlog.apache, we can go there and check for any sort of services that is there, but this user don't have the permission to get in there. So that's a drawback. So it is just the thing, by time what you have learned, you have to keep those placing in your mind, and you have to be expelling that which stuff you want to use first, and to reach that certain information, how you gonna tackle those. Right now what I was doing, the script you just saw over here, this one I triggered. I am trying to actually perform the same action that I usually perform, where I use this spawn xterm and this one. So what I'm doing here is I'm first creating this like getting the reverse shell, then I'm trying to perform the xterm in that, and once I got the xterm, then I'm trying to put, there is another command that we use in the shell. It was I think stty. Yep. So there is a stty that help us to perform the like tab actions whenever we want. And after that I was trying to trigger the Python shell, which is this. This is the last one. Or we can like from this first, and then this, and then this, or like this one. This way we will have like the full-fledged shell over there, where we can perform the like actions like these, ls u tab, and it will autocomplete the stuff for us. If there is any file, then it should, but it seems to be empty. Let's see. Like now there we have the Jana. If I tab, it will autocomplete. So these kinds of stuff that you need to remember how you going to pivot in there and like make the most out of what you have right now. It is not something that can be grasped in a one day, but yeah, by time it is a process to work around. And seems Obsidian is taking load for some reason. Actually, tips are like by process kind of thing. You go and get those tips by the time you learn. By the way, have you done the underpass? Underpass 2 you're talking about? Underpass. Let me check if it is there. Then maybe. Okay, it is here. Let me see if I have done it. No, I think I started it, but after some time I stopped it. No, when it will retire, I think then, or maybe it is already retired. Let me check. Over here in the active machine, underpass. Yeah, it is still there. So I'll solve it later on, or maybe the day it is going to retire. Around that day, before 1 or 2 days, I'll start solving it back. If by the time I'll get the subscription, or like if I get the stuff that is required over here to manage this channel, these requirement fulfilled, especially this one, I might start the subscription stuff, and over there I might put some early stuff that shouldn't be there, but maybe. Oh, so it must be related to the binary what I'm talking about, binary exploitation, most probably, like the reverse engineering stuff. It is hard to see nowadays, but it is still there in some boxes. Okay, so let's stop this. Exit from here. Clear it. And we'll go to Chronos. There we have a script, and did he give me revert? Not yet, it seems. Oh, I removed and clear everything, so it's not gonna entertain now. Your big list is so huge. How come mine is smaller compared to yours? Have you merged the list? Which list you're talking about? This one? I have segregation over here, bro. This is a easy Linux. This is a easy Windows. Medium Linux, medium Windows, hard Linux, hard Windows, insane Linux, insane Windows, and the other stuff. Big.txt. Got it. It is from seclist. It's from seclist. If you'll check the seclist, it will be there. Word count. If we go /etc/ no, it's not etc. User /share seclist. It was into the fuzzing, if I'm not wrong. Nope, it wasn't into the fuzzing. It's a part of discovery. In discovery, it's a part of web content. There's a big, yeah, enter, and you can see the word count it has. It must be outdated then, man. I always run, like, daily I run this script. If I go here, this is a script that I like run daily as a root. So it update the system, upgrade the full system, and auto remove if there is anything that is outdated and have got update and we don't need that's in the system anymore. After there, auto clean. So this is what all this do. But there is another command that I'm not adding over here, and that was update db. This one used to be the last command. Let's trigger this. So if there are any new change in there, it will update that accordingly. And since there are many changes that needed the update, and guys, if you're watching, you're new here, and if you're older one, thanks for that, and you're watching, please consider liking, and you're new here, consider subscribe. Right now I agree that the content is not that good, but in future I'm holding some stuff back. I'll start dropping later on, so you guys gonna have some fun. Let me check one last time. I got a reward. He's tweaking in the script. So if I'll paste this, we will try this script today. I'm not sure if it didn't work, then maybe some other time. People don't like the weird stuff. Is people don't like one, even though if I have like 16 view by now, no one like the stuff. Okay, back here, go to the box and back to the Chronos. Doctor is finished, so we can close that. Reverse engineering stuff over here. I have some commands, which is pretty good, but I'm going to need more than this, so this will come later on. Chronos. So we have config.php, we have index.php, logout.php, session, and welcome. And if you see over here, we have only the 302 status. Index.php doesn't contain anything other than the login page, and config.php, as you can see, the size is empty, so there is nothing to explore. So we are going http://admin chronos enter, and I checked around the other endpoint too, and I don't know why it is doing this. Maybe because of some load, who knows. See, there seems to be a bug in here. And what the hell is that bug? Do we got any new update? Let's reset. Now it's good. Yeah, so I was talking that we also check on www.chronos.htb. Didn't got much files, even though web.config was just containing some sort of configuration file. Nothing much. And it seems, oh sorry, the machine is not running. Let's trigger it. Any other question, brother? Shoot. Ouch. Oof. Like the video, guys. Like it. I don't know why, but I feel that I like show that daily. I shouldn't be doing that. From now on, I'm not gonna show. That feels weird. Okay, machine has been spawned. Okay, it's running good, and we're gonna do curl over the config. No, it was dub there, web config. What does it say? There is imported rule 1, match this, ignore case, add input request. There is some file name it's taking in directory. Ignore case is equal to false, negative, true. Then there is an action, some sort of, which is redirect, and it's over the permanent. Rule 2nd, it is adding the file name in the request. There is a directory and is file. Take action, it is rewriting the index.php, but I don't think we will be able to perform any sort of action over here. So we don't know that, right? So there is a tool that is not a dev link, it's a dev test. So we're gonna copy this, paste here, and let it run -url. And it ignoring, I don't want to open itself, so try again. Not listening. At least trigger, brother. Okay, it's not working. So the next is we have this admin, and we didn't try anything over here yet. So let's check what we got yesterday for here. If we do the session.php, what we get? Back to the same page. Like I said, index.php is itself a login page. So we have config.php, and as I said, it's empty. So what we can do over here is we will copy this and do the nuclei, clear this, enter, and let's wait what it'll give to us. Seems to be way too much expectation, but I don't think it is gonna fulfill those. Guys, like the stream. Love you. Consider subscribing too. Okay, we got 2 warnings. Found 2 templates with runtime error. Pretty good. And new template added in latest release, which like 52 new templates. Nice, nice, nice. I just want what I can get. Webinar, who cares about webinar? Will we get anything over here? Let's try this. Till then, we haven't tried any SQL so far. Submit. Your login name or password is invalid. Admin, enter. If we do admin colon, let's find some good SQL injections. What was that? Payload of all things. Over here we have SQL injections. We go a bit down. Let's try this one, I believe. So we will put it here. Okay, machine died. Machine died. Dang it, machine died. No. I think until the nuclei come back, it won't run. And guys, subscribe. At least drop high or something if you're watching. It is good to communicate. My machine died. Sorry, brother. I hope it will come back to life pretty soon. Well, it's going to be hard. I don't want to reset it. No action. Dead machine. Dang it. If I'll do the restart, I'm pretty sure it gonna break something in the operating system. Because I've already failed, like, faced this problem thrice or 4 times, 5 times. I'm just expecting it to come back to life. Just come back to life. Sorry guys, I wasn't expecting that. Do something. Why I don't wanna restart is because to perform the same action it's gonna take way much time. My machine died. Oh, it is back. It's back. It's back. It's back. I think the nuclei is a finish. That's why it is back. Oh, it is running. We are safe for now. So what I was about to do is, oh, multiple admin submit, admin paste the payload, and over here anything, no, admin paste submit, admin next submit. Maybe if I'll do admin, and over here if I'll try this one, no response. Maybe this one, this, single quote, admin. What if I'll try the comments only, and this, submit. It worked. Like, you're just testing something out, and something out of blue works, and we are in. We commented out everything, the query afterwards, and we went in. Okay, so we will go out once more. Now we know what worked for us. Admin, single quote, and we commented everything. We don't need to submit the password, I believe. Over here we will perform the, where is it, SQLi, copy, and if I'll submit, yep, we bypassed it. Didn't got anything good in there, so we can try the SQL injections if they work, or maybe the SQL map. Let's see what we have in the SQL map here. Oh, I see. We need to convert these one too. So that is the later part. We will do that later. And see if there is any parameter over the login page we can bypass or exploit using the SQLi. And it seems after trying some random short exploits, we was able to bypass the login page. And we're in. Okay. Of SQLi. So for those who don't know what is SQLi, it is just a short form of SQL injection. We don't say the injection complete, we just say SQLi. We it seems after trying some random shots of SQLi exploit, we was able to bypass the page and with that what we tried here is it's SQL. No. I think we should put these one over here. We was using the admin, and this admin was the only thing. Page also admin hyphen hyphen hyphen, but with the single quote. For us, the last one, which is a comment in SQL, worked for us. And if you see over here the trace route and stuff, I'm not sure how many of you have worked around something called the damn vulnerable web application, DVWA. So this part is from that. Why I'm saying it is from that, because if you'll see in the DVWA, let's go DVWA command injection. In here over the low one, it is taking time to render. You will see it is also performing the same stuff over here. It's a ping for free, and if you'll check over here, it's a NAT tool. It is doing the same stuff over here. If we go to view page source, wrap it up, see host, it is submitting the value, and submit, the value is getting executed. Over here it is a command, so we can perform the command injection over here. So if I'll execute this, wait, we didn't got any sort of output. Cancel. Let's try this then. Okay, nothing from the nuclei, garbage. If we try curl http://admin index, or rather index. We will be using the let's go here. I don't know why it is working this fast. I'm not. Damn it. Inspect network and execute. We will copy this curl, copy as a curl, and we're gonna put it here, HTTP or maybe sh, paste, and way too much headers. Give me a sec. Give me a sec, guys. What I'm looking for here is let's see if we have USB to C connector in my pocket. Seems there is, so okay, this is the one. Let's try if it works. Oh, forgot to put these in here. Where is it? Where the hell is OTG? There. And there we go. Uploaded. And it should be there. It is in there, so I guess let me just just pass my tab. Okay, back. Table feels pretty good when it is empty. So we have this download curl where it includes some unwanted extensions scroll to, which we're gonna remove. Till here, insecure. Okay, tags pretty good, no problem with that. And user agent, I don't think that matters. Refer cookie, I don't think even that matters. So we will do this, copy this curl and such, put it here, and we're gonna do is remove the unwanted headers till here. Origin cookie accept, keep alive, content type, I don't think that's needed. Origin, I think nothing is required here, not a single header. And over here we're gonna do -u for the user, and in the single quotes we're gonna do admin single quote hyphen this quote anything, it doesn't matter. So if we will do this, and over here we have the ping as the command. So if we do the ping over here instead of traceroute, copy this and remove everything from here, and in here we're gonna put semi this and ls. With this our command injection is complete. Enter. Okay, it is giving the quote problem, cancel, and it is giving the quote problem because of this over here. I'm not sure if it can be filled with the URL encode. Let's try this. I think now it should work. Will it? Or will it not? Cancel. Let's see the verbos. Enter. Upload completely sent off, 29 bits. And what are we getting here? Don't tell me I have to shoot the birth suite just because of this. I don't want to put that much effort here. So we're gonna do this. as I don't have time to waste, so we're gonna do rev this, enter, and the port is going to 9001, enter. Would you like to change term to this? Not yet. Now the shell is running, so we gonna do over here is put the semicolon, and after that we will be going to netcat listener over here, and I think netcat should be there because it's an old machine, so I'm assuming it to be there. Pasted this, execute it, and did we got anything here? So far nothing. Nothing over the listener. We got some packets. Okay, so if I do the pipe and paste this, execute. Maybe URL code, copy, and semicolon, paste, execute. This is weird. It should have accepted it by now. So we're gonna do is let's go to the ping till here. We'll paste this, execute, check back. The port is 9001. Ping. We cannot ping over a certain port, so maybe we should try this. Maybe the netcat is not there, so we will try this one, execute. Let's see if we get the RCE this time. Stuff executed, but no shell, so we will put the percent %20 for the space, copy this and paste here, execute. That's weird. What if I'll do this? Colon, paste, execute. Double pipe. No, you're encoding. Copy this, paste it here, execute. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Copy this, and there is and also and operator. We'll paste this, execute. Whoa! There we go. There we go. There we go. It worked. It worked. The script is not running. This script is broken. I think I'll send it back to the professor, or the person who's actually okay. I think he has shared another script with it, shared the previous output with him. Let's see if this time this script that he has made update to will work. We're gonna cancel this session and this. /this 9001, enter. Yes, why not? Name a new term. It should be by default. So with double and operator, maybe this simple one will work this time. Paste, enter. Okay, it didn't work. Double and operator, netcat one, this should work. Execute. Okay. Double and operator, remove one. This at least should work. We cannot perform actions in here. This stuff is broken, utterly broken. Terminal freeze. We cannot use ctlr plus x or c. Okay, another broken piece of code, and damn it. Why are you sending, okay, he gave me the previous one that I shared. Was I speaking over the mute this whole time? And you guys didn't even find it interesting that I'm speaking and you guys didn't even told me that I'm speaking over the mute. Whoa! Or you guys were thinking that I am a mute person. This is bad, people. I thought it was because I hadn't subscribed. Dang it. Nice joke. But now, have you subscribed? Not sure. Well, it's your happiness. Do or not, it is up to you. Okay, got it. So, okay, so here's the process what happened so far. This is something that you can find, or I have worked previously on. I couldn't chat until I was subscribed for 1 minute. Yes, that's the criteria. I have seen that there are many people, those who watch me, but they do not subscribe. They'll watch the content and they just leave. At least do some benefit to me also, guys. Don't be like that. It take efforts, right? Uh, if I'll say why the efforts, it's 10:15 p.m. over here where I'm sitting right now, and I did the work whole day since 9 a.m. to 6 hours, like 6:30 till yes, 7:30 p.m. I was working, and now I'm doing this where I'm sharing my knowledge. So at least appreciate that. Subscribe, like the video, share with others. That's the only thing I want. I'm not asking anything else, guys. Am I? So, a bit love. That's that's it. All I need is love, guys. Don't be like that. Okay. So I was explaining what happened so far. I have already worked with this kind of scenario. There is an application called uh, what the hell was that application name? DVWA, Damn Vulnerable Application. So over there, once you'll try the SQL injection over the login, you will get into the user. You can also brute force the login page there if you're yes, this is netcat backdoor. So if you see over there, there is a way to brute force that, and once you'll get login in there, after that the first thing you will get is the command injection section in the DVWA program. Over here you can find the DVWA over here, DVWA, enter. Over here, so this is a program those who cannot afford these kind of services like the Hack the Box or other, but they have interest over the web application exploitation and stuff, and they want to learn how the things work behind the scenes. So they can use this DVWA for learning the basic stuff. Over here in the hackable, I think. No, not this. I believe it was vulnerabilities. Yep. Here you can see it has like multiple vulnerabilities that you can test by hosting it over either local or in the Docker container. First is auth bypass, then there is a brute force, then there is a captcha, then there is a cryptography, CSP content service policy headers, I think, if I'm not wrong. Then CSRF, server side, no, damn it. Cross-site request forgery, then execution, then there is FI, JavaScript, open redirection, SQLI, blind SQLI, upload, weak ID, XSS. This is the DOM base. This is the reflected XSS, and there's a stored XSS. So this is the stuff that you can learn by hosting it over the local. So in here there is a command injection. If I'll just directly go to write up DVWA command injection, and it should show the write-up very first. And in here you will see over here ping for free, and you will see both the interface are pretty similar. The wording are different, that's the only thing. There is a submit, there is execution, but almost everything is similar. So over here if you see, he tried to ping the local host, and after that he give the cat/etc/password. It worked. So this what came into my mind, and I tried the RC directly into the like parameter, and on that I got the RC. So this is what I have done so far over here. Now that we have the RCE, let's try to get the user flag. But before that, let's try to read the /var/dub directory. If it contain any password, any any pass which we might need later on. So for that we'll go to the /var/dub and use the almighty tool, that's grep. And I think I need to fix this one too, cause the grep, yep, I'm using the quote in there, so I need to remove the quotes. So in here we will use the grep, and the grep is going to be this one. Now that we are in the dub, so let's put it over the full screen. We can stop this processing and we paste this. Now what this is doing, it's performing the recursive, and some I is for ignoring the case, capital R for the recursive check, and the O, I'm forgetting about the O, it should be in here. It says only match. If it matches this certain string, it's gonna paste only that. Now there is another regex where we are just printing the pass. It will start from the pass, and after the characters it is gonna print only 60 characters after including the pass, no more than that. So we will have less of the output where we can read the data clearly. Rather we have the mess load of data out there which we don't even need. So we have the certain string that we need and the certain like parameter that we're looking for. Once we'll press enter, if we see there is any sort of password we need, we'll take that. And there we go. And it seems larval contain way too much stuff in there. Register, we still have so much garbage here. Okay, we will go all the way up here. So here we have the pass, new interface, pass, what else, pass array, over here some other stuff, parameter closure, there is the mockery, and it seems to be a pass parameter which is empty, pass to add a dummy, then there is a pass removes bulletin methods and etc, pass implement pass, refer, anything good that we might be able to work around, pass to the command include. There seems to be been 2 hacks. They're encrypting the password and NTLM out. And do we have the actual string of the password here? Interesting. We don't have the single string that contain the password over here. Not a single string. Okay, interesting. Let's perform the clear. Oh, we cannot perform clear over here. It's because export term is equal to x term. Enter. And now we can perform the clear. Pretty good. So we have grep. So here we have 3 applications. And I hope it's still copied. No. We tried grep, but didn't got any password from here. So let's see if we can use the SU SWITCH user command to access the other user. We are gonna go to the home slash and the other user is Knowles. And here we're gonna do the SU, copy the username, paste it here, and it says SU must be run from a terminal. We cannot, but if we try to access this user, we'll be able to get in. ls cat users.txt, enter. Oh, we can get the hash. Though we can't switch the user, but we got the user.txt hash or flag to submit. So we're gonna cut this. If someone wants, they can copy it. Before I submit, if you can submit, then this flag is yours. Or those who know, they don't try, cause even if you know, it's not gonna work. There we go. Okay, so in the guided mode, let's answer these. What's in the heading of the top of page once authenticated? It is a net tool stuff. It is this. Okay, what is a user in the web? It is a web data. This is a username. Flag was very easy. it didn't took much effort this time. So pretty easy. Okay, this is spoilers, so no to the spoilers. So ls-la, there's a composure, there is what if I do id? Can we perform cat slash etc slash shadow? Enter. We don't have permission. Cat slash etc slash hosts. Okay, there is some pretty weird name. I think this is where the hosting is coming from, though. The next one is cat slash etc slash password. Okay, we have plenty of users, so we're gonna do cat slash etc slash password pipe grep. Those who can has this not like this slash bin slash bash. Those who are without it, they cannot do anything in there. And there we go. And with that, we got the username and the flag. So this was the unwanted exercise, which I don't know why I did it, but whatever. So the next should be, if we'll clear this, let's fix some stuff. SQL injection to bypass the login. And once we got over here, we got the command injection to get the RCE, bold it, and we got the user. Got the user flag and the other hosted application, which is Laravel. And those people who don't know what is Laravel, Laravel is a framework which is like written in the Python. So when you're working over the web interface, you can use the library and stuff from the Laravel to like work around faster if you're developing some sort of web application there. So now, like we did the yesterday, let's try the same thing today also and ticket for the CecilDB University. I don't know why people are sending that over the office email, but who knows? Shush. Okay, so here we are, and like always, not always, but oh, let's check first what sort of services are running here. ss hyphen tln. We have some good looking ports like this 953, which wasn't available in the nmap scan. If we'll check here, yep, we don't have this port here, and we also don't have this 3306. And if we'll check what this port is for, 3306, it should be MySQL. There we go. So what we're gonna do with this, we don't have the MySQL password, and I think we will not be able to access that too. So we will try the TL. Let's see what's the name of the services. The first one is MySQL, and there is the domain hosted over the, I think both are the same one. If we'll try to curl, 127.0.0.1, enter. And if I do the curl for the 10.10. Sheesh, 10.10. What's the IP address? This is the Apache front page. It's a 13. Enter. And we should get the same page over here too. Yep, it is Apache page. So same thing is hosted here. So I'll clear this. Let's go back to one tab. Let's clear. I think let's go back to the knowledge, clear, and now that we have the access, let's upload the lin piece. Info gathering using lin piece. So to upload this, we gonna no. Now that we have the access, let's upload the lin piece first. Let's bring that into the working directory on local machine. So we're gonna do is locate the lin piece, enter, and we gonna pull this one. We'll be doing the CP, and it seems the path is already there, and press enter. There we go. And use the Python server hash to get the server I think I should paste it here too. Python server hosting to upload the lin piece over the remote machine. There we go. And as such, we believe that this should do the charm. So let's copy this, paste here, and 80 always good. So we're gonna do the 80. Copy stuff, paste it here, and we're gonna do wget 10.10.16.3 slash the file name is linpiece.sh, enter, and it seems it says permission denied, cannot write to the lin piece. Okay, so we cannot write in this directory. What if we go to the cd slash dev slash shm? So the shm is a place, dev shm, it is like RAM memory, we say. Once the machine will reboot, whatever is put it in this folder or in this directory will automatically get wiped out without any problem. So we don't have to worry about if something has been left behind or not. When I have seen that when we are solving stuff, people just start dropping things into the the directory or the the directory they have spawned in, or in the directory they have got the access. So the loss of that is once we are out, even if the machine get reboot, the file is going to stay there, and if someone else is going to work on that box, if it is not shut down and it is a distributed server or the machine, people will eventually get the hint from there, like how to solve the box or how to perform the next step and what tool to use, what to do next, basically. So because of that, I put stuff in here. If not in here, then the slash temp, that's also temporary memory. So if once the machine get reboot, it will wipe out the whole stuff from the temporary directory. And guys, like the stream if you're watching. If you're not, I cannot like tie you guys and make you watch me. So yeah, no problem. So there we go. Let's do the wget to upload the file. Let's move to the temp directory, which will wipe out on the reboot, and the places slash dev slash shm. Here we'll upload the what? Lin piece. We're gonna quote here. It's a remote machine of which we have RCE. Okay, so we're gonna perform wget 10.10.16.3 slash where the hell is linpiece? Yo, we didn't. Oh, I see. I didn't thought about adding that here, and we cannot cancel this. rm hyphen rf linpiece clear cp this, enter, and we're gonna start the server now. Yeah, this is what we was looking for. There. Now that we have it, linpiece, paste it here and enter. Now it should get in there without causing any problem. And we successfully uploaded the linpiece there. Nice, 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 nice. And it's over the machine. So let's run it and see how we can escalate the privilege. Spelling mistake. Oof. And here comes the privilege escalation. From the clear chmod plus X, and I believe, oh, I have copied this, so we need to provide the permission. Provide the permission to the linpiece so we can run it. The permission has been granted. So now all we have to do is / paste this, enter, and boom. Now let's trigger it. sh paste, go a bit up and copy this. And then we can start it. And we actually did. Now it has started working, and I'm guessing not a half of the likes I have got so far. Like, guys, like, give me some confidence. You guys are just peeling it off. Now we can cancel this and pull it all the way down. Let's see what we have. Oh, pretty good exploits here. We can use any of these, and there are many. Let's see if there is anything that highlights. Although, because of my idiocy, I already got a hint from the this place, which is a guided mode. I'm not going there from now on. At the end of everything, we're gonna submit the answers there. And I think I found something that match the color code of yellow and red. Oof. Yep, here it is. Larvel. Guys, like the stream and subscribe if you're watching without subscribing. Although it's not something I can do, but it is your wish and it appreciates me too. So please subscribe and like. And at the same time, if you have any questions, shoot in the chat. We'll look into it and see if I can answer that. It's not like I have the answer for all the questions. Whoa. There is some fishy going on with the database. It's a SQLite database. Running over the local. App key base 64. And the username of database that's hosted over here. So we can use the home stirred or steed to get the access of database. And we have the .get of Laravel. There are some master changes. Capabilities. I don't need to check that. Just show me something with the same color code so we can. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got something good here. We have a new username and password. And here in the result, we got or we found a username and password of some sort. Although I'm not sure how it is gonna work or not, but it needed to be there, so we are adding it. Remove the space and we'll create the table. Backspace and username, password. Username is this, password is this. Okay, let's see what else we have got. Nothing other than that, so we will go all the way up. about to reach. No, we still haven't missed that. There. And it is a part of the cron job section, it seems. And here we have found one more thing. In the cron jobs, which we're gonna put here, paste. This is color coded with this. That means we have chance to perform privilege escalation using this cron job. Let's try. So we are exploiting the Laravel cron job. Let's see what we can get from here. And while I'm doing that, you guys like the stream. Ouch. How much time is it? 2 hours already. 2 hours in. Let's clear this. And if we go to the cd/cd home ls su, paste this. Oh, we need a terminal for this, but we also have this port open, which is 22. So let's try this. SSH at knowledge at the rate. If we try this password, it's a 10.10.10.13. Enter. Yes. Paste, enter. Okay, so this is not the right password. Understood. So what else we can do? I think it is a password for this, I believe. Admin and paste, enter. Okay, even this is not accepting this as a password. Pretty weird. It is admin config.php. It is actually for this because it is coming from the admin, now the Laravel. So over the full screen, cron job, which actually didn't. Okay. So to start here, let's Google if we can use the cron job in any manner to escalate the privilege. Hmm. Okay, let's go here and we're gonna do Laravel. Headache. Laravel. Let's go. Cron job privilege escalation. Schedule this. Okay, cron job exploitation. Okay, we have the chronos. We're not gonna look there. Laravel cron job schedule to make automation easier. This will help. Privilege escalation, PHP, FPM, Laravel. Escalate Linux privilege via cron job vulnerability. A complete guide to task schedule in Laravel. So now we have this segment where we have something related to the privilege escalation, which is related to Laravel, and we also have the information about how we can schedule the schedule something into Laravel. So we can run over the both boats now. If one goes down, we have another to save us. So here it says the prerequisites. We don't need that. And here for this tutorial we need we only care about the console directory because all scheduled jobs in Laravel are defined in this file. Go ahead and open the file. So you're gonna copy this and perform the cat, paste, enter, and it couldn't find it. So we're gonna do is locate kernel.php, enter, and it seems the locate command is not in here. So we're gonna do find hyphen name KERNEL dot php, enter. Permission denied. I see. So we cannot perform any action in that directory. So we will go to the dev/shm. Over here, if we try to perform this, will it? Okay, it did perform, but something seems to be missing. Find this slash hyphen name. Okay, so we need to provide the path from where it should start looking for something. Name kernel.php. After that, we're gonna send everything to dev/null. Ouch. /dev / null, enter, and couldn't find anything. This is not expected. Whoa. Exhaustion. Root name prefix. The same command. Chronos. We are using the right command over here. So for some reason we are not able to perform it. I think I have killed the gain way too much. Now it should be fine. I'm a bit louder now, or way too much louder. Okay, so we have find root name what we're looking for. Let's go with the capital kernel.php. Here, paste, enter. We got something. We got something. So as per the doc, or you say blog, we need to look for the file app console this where they where we can set the schedule job for the Laravel. Ouch. Who is watching? Oh. Okay, so we have the file now. We have the asked file now. So let's do something like a symphony. Why there is a symphony in the Laravel? That's another framework, but right now we have nothing to do with the symphony, so we're not gonna look there. Right now all we have to do is work around the cron job, the only sole single focus, like the video. Okay, so we have asked file. Now let's do what mentioned in the doc. In the doc /blog, we're gonna copy this and put it in here and over here too. So what's next? It says to nano init. So we're gonna do vi copy this, enter. I hope it don't break anything. Input is, oh sheesh. We're gonna quit, clear, nano, paste endpoint, enter. And it says it is required to save loading search history or cursor positions, enter. Okay, oh no 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 no. I think we need some sort of way to enter over the machine so we can access this properly, else it is going to remain mess. So we're gonna, if I press Control X, we are as good as dead. So we will be thrown out of the shell. Yes, enter. Oh, we didn't. Oh, thank God. So what we can do here is we can't access the file clearly. So we gonna add the SSH key here so we can access using the SSH if it worked. Or maybe rather performing the like SSH, can we replace that file? Let's do the ls-la, paste this, enter. Do we have we have the permissions to read and write. Let's read the further. Once we open that folder, we gonna do, we don't know what we're gonna do. Schedule job larval define in here. Okay, so we don't need anything to do here in the file. Or maybe let's cat it, enter. So let's read it first. So what we have here is, if we check, something should be mentioned here with the time. A required base path is this, and it is not scheduled, or anything is not scheduled here, because this has been commented out, this has been commented out, this is under comment, and this is under comment 2, and over here this is under comment 2. So right now there is nothing that is scheduled. So we are doing is, we are changing it from here, inspiring it to perform this. So we can just copy paste stuff from here Let's do some theft. Copy, paste. Okay, next, what the line commented out by default, but you should uncomment it before going forward. The schedule variable is an instance of the schedule class built into Laravel. Okay. So basically everything which is what's written over here is going to get copied. Schedule function, schedule system command, and there we go. Let's paste it here. Let's see what does it says. Whoa. I don't think we need to do much here though. If we can just put the command in here, won't that work? Instead of like adding stuff in somewhere else, call new some class hourly. So what if we just add stuff in here, cause it is executing and execution can be anything, right? So do you see anything that can be changed here? Do you? Do you guys see anything? I don't see anything that we should be using though. Let's just remove this. All we need is this. And I hope this works. And you should hope it works. So we need to change something over here that can help us get the RCE. So now think how we can change it into a manner that we can add something in here. How? Okay, let's think about it. How are we gonna do this? Okay, that's too much thinking. Let's try the Vim on it and copy this old path, paste. I hope this don't break. Ah, sheesh. It is also going to break if I'll do this. Ah, knew it. Insert. Yeah, I knew it. We need to do something with this shell. And I knew it will be thrown out. So let's start the new shell. Admin single or maybe this submit. We don't. Oh, we need a single quote. That means I totally forgot. Enter and double and RC injection. Copy this. Execute. Got the RCE. Close it. Now there is something that IPSec usually do. And I'm forgetting how he do it. So IPsec RCE shell. IPsec video note style. Let's see. I need something how we can set the shell here. This seems pretty good, but it's way too much knowledge. Alright, should we just go into one of his video and see how we do it? Okay, let's go to one of his video. Formula, let's look for a smaller one where we can remote, or maybe the open source. This has the RC in it, right? Navigate to web shell, discover this path, and a new route. Run the command reverse shell return. Okay, over here. So here you're gonna perform the trick. Let's see. Import. Okay, got it. Okay, now he put that into the background. I see. So we're gonna do is put this using the Control Z and we suspended it. FG 1, enter. Oh, we didn't suspended it. We just put it into the background. Okay, so it is going to STTY raw echo foreground, enter. Okay, it is now on the foreground. And next we're gonna do is export. Whoa, it is slow. Export hyphen no, export term is equal to x term, enter. And now we're gonna perform this tty shell, paste, enter, and we got a stable shell now. We can, yes, now we can perform the actions, but the problem is this is pretty damn slow. Okay, let's add one more thing over here, and that thing is going to be this foreground or maybe we can, okay, I'll set that later. We have the chain now. I knew it, but I forgot it how we do it. So now everything is in place. Now if I'll collapse this and do the VI over which file, as mentioned in here, the kernel one, So over here, we do this. Okay, it is open. Now if I do, yeah, now it is working good without breaking anything. And over here, we're gonna perform this action, schedule, whatever. Schedule, we're gonna change it. Aside from this command, you can also schedule the execution of any system command using the exe method as follow. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. Get there in the above line command. Okay, we change insert. Over here, we're gonna remove these comments. Get here, clear this, exec, execute, and remove everything from here. Double quote, it's gonna be bash -c, and in the single quote we gonna put this over the 2. So we will copy this and paste it here, single quote, and the command is a finish. Now we go all the way up here and we will change it to the minutes. And for that, what sort of explanation we have here? Don't tell me we lost it. We're gonna set it for the minutes. Oh, here we have it. It says the every minute. So we will copy this and paste it here. Now escape, write, quit, exclamation, enter. And it says cannot write wiminfo into. Okay, who cares? We don't want to write anything in there anyway. So no. If I'll cat the same file over here, and it should be written. Yes, it is written. Okay, we cannot go much. sh paste. Now we're gonna start a new netcat listener over here, all the way down, netcat hyphen this too, and we should get the RCE, the second cron job triggers. Or maybe we can try another trick, which, there we go. There we go. This was fun. It is good when you learn something. Okay. With this, we can say one more box down. Wait for some time and you will get the RCE. But don't forget to start the netcat listener on 9002 sh. Here we have the root access of the box. So if you like it so far, and this is the second or third time we have solved the box this quick. If you like it, like my video. Wanna ask question, drop here or in the comments. Share it and don't forget to subscribe. You guys are pretty lousy? Is that the term? I don't know. My vocabulary is weak. So whatever that term is, you guys are that. You just watch, you don't subscribe or like the video. So like, subscribe, press that button. Okay, so now we have the box. Let's get the root flag and /etc/ not password but shadow file. For that we'll go cd into /root, or rather going there I'll just cat /root.txt, enter, and we got the root flag here. We'll put it here, and next we're gonna cat and a single quote /etc/ shadow, enter, and there we go. We got the 3 password for some reason, but we're gonna keep for these 3 users. Other than that, we don't need any other. And there we go. Another box solved. I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. And it's been 2 hours 30 minutes, so like 2.5 hours. Not a bad time, I would say, for this level of box, but to be honest, this box was actually pretty easy. It is actually pretty easy. It's just in medium, maybe because of that DNS entry stuff, because you have to find the DNS on the first place, and I don't know why this took like this damn much time, but I'm thinking it's most probably because of that DNS clutter. It took 18 days, but we solved it in the 2 days, so not bad. Or I would say in rather the 2 days we solved it in the 1 day because of the partition that we do. And yes, so this box was fun. And what it says, a path to the pause file that run the cron job. So the file path for that is kernel.php. This. Oh, you want the whole path? This one. This one. almost accepted it, it seems so, but what the hell is that? What is the full path of file passed to PHP in a cron job that runs every minute as root user? What that file is? Oh, this one? But we didn't use this, right? What we used was the schedule job. Because of this, we can use the schedule, and on the other end we got the idea that it is using the cron job, so we can probably perform any sort of schedule job in the Laravel itself. So that's how we got so far. It's accepted. Does this have right permission on this? So yes, obviously it is going to have the right permission, right? And in the last, our almighty flag. There. So did you guys enjoy enjoyed it or not? It was easy. It was very easy. So tell me, did you enjoy it or not? You guys just stay silent. I don't know why. Try to communicate some, so we can have fun together. You're not getting my point, right? Why is that? Okay, so with this, we have another box sorted. And we're gonna sort this out now. So schedule system command over here. And over here, we're gonna put found cron job in Laravel. Cron job running using Laravel. Now this make bit sense. Over here, this stuff that we went through, and here we did edit this file for shell. But instead it should go one hash back, cause the schedule command is a part of it. Now this looks beautiful, right? You have everything in the file, and with this we gonna man, this netcat backdoor, the last messages keep confusing me. So we're gonna perform the exit and clear this out. Cancel this, cancel this, cancel. Clear, exit, exit, exit. So guys, any questions so far? Here to answer for this box. All I understood, it was fun. Let's go all the way up. What we work with? Cron job. What else? Larval. I hope the spellings are correct. And what else did we work with? Command injection. What else? SQLI. And DNS. And what else? What else? Zone transfer? Yes. Here. Zone transfer. DNS. We didn't exploit it. We used it, right? So we're gonna do the DNS. Over here we checked the zone transfer. Next was command injection, then SQL injection. We use the cron job. VEL larval. Do we have the spelling in here somewhere? LARAVEL. So we are using the right spelling. Over here the spellings are wrong. LARAVEL. Okay, spelling is right. What's the next thing we use? And NS lookup tool we use. LinPiece, Netcat, and NS lookup, which is in the DNS itself. And we also use the dig and what else? Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. And with this, we're gonna set it to the publish. So whenever we'll have the publish service, it's gonna publish by itself without asking me. So at least we are sorted on that. Okay, so next, this is Nineveh. Nineveh. What the hell is this name? Nineveh. Dang it. I don't know. So this is the next box we are working with. It's Linux, and it's a medium tier box created today. Video, it's in live. Machine URL, will get it in a moment. This, there we go. This is the machine URL. Let's fire the machine. Machine URL here. Oh, messed up, sorry. IP, will get it in a moment. Let's see what other episodes are here today. Oh, we will watch this. And over here we have this and this, so we have 2 animes to watch, 3 total. Okay, good sign. Today's night is going to be good. Okay, so we have 20 minutes left. Instead of 20, I would say the 15 minutes left. Anyone over here wanna ask anything or say anything or do anything. Just shoot. 822. Guys, really put some effort. Help me reach the 1,000 by end of the January. Today is 22. I don't think it is impossible, but it is not possible too. Because you guys don't even like the video, how are you gonna help me reach 1,000 subscriber? Enjoy your time, brother. What's up, brother? I was about to go. Only 15 minutes left. I just saw another pretty good box, which I found pretty interesting, but at the same time, it was a pretty damn disappointment because something similar I have already done for the first part. The second part was a bit unique, and we got to know about that today itself. So we can say it was a pretty successful day today. Which one? It is this Kronos. I'm not sure it's a Kronos or it's a Cron OS or whatever, but at least it is a Kronos for me because I don't give a damn with the name. So this is what's going on. And bro, tell people subscribe here. They don't subscribe for some reason. I don't know if they're not liking the content or they're not into what I'm doing, or they don't even like the damn video. Let me check how many likes are here. See, only 8 likes. They just don't. Okay, so joke aside, we got a new box. Let's go here. IP address, and NEVEH. Ninhive. I don't know. Okay, so we have the IP address. Did you bought PWK? PWK? What's that? PWK. What is that? PWK? I remember it is something related to the OWASP. Oh, sorry, offensive sec. Oh, okay. Penetration test with Kali Linux. Bro, I am totally broke. How you think I'm gonna buy this? I am totally zero. Whatever I saved so far, I used it here itself for the hack the box. And even here, I took someone help because he was over the good rank in the like over here in the season, so he got like 50% off coupon. So I begged him hard so he can give me a coupon of his, which is like $50 off. No, it's not a premium, it's just a VIP, not a VIP plus, so I'm using the VIP only. So I begged him so hard, so please give me your coupon, cause it wasn't any worth to him. So I got it, but it didn't do much because I was saving some portion of my salary and some other stuff. So because of that, whatever the saving was, I used it over here for the learning, and of course for fun, which I am having right now. And I solved the challenges and other stuff, and I'm pretty soon going to do much more. But yeah, I don't have that much savings right now I can put over here. That's why I tell you people to subscribe the channel. Why I'm like shouting in that tone, like, please subscribe and like the video. Okay, mkdir. Next box is NINEVEH. Enter. CD to whatever this box called, and clear. Already did. Already did what? Oh, I wasn't saying to you, brother. You're pretty good. Okay. Sorry, my bad. I'm not sure. This is some sort of YouTuber kink or whatever the shit is, but I shouldn't be doing like this. I wasn't talking to you. I'm not like I wasn't saying to you anything. Did you do HTTP decryption? Why would we do that? Using MITM proxy. Like, why do we need to do that? I did that, bro. I'll invite my friends. Thank you. Using MITM proxy. Like, why do we need the MITM proxy on the first place? And for the HTTPS decryption, you gonna need like channel. It is MITM attack, not in hack the box or something. Oh, I think it must be somewhere in the hack the box too, but yeah, but it is no use in the real life. It is hardly any use in the real life, cause the most of traffic you can encrypt or decrypt is decrypt is HTTP, which is running over without any like proper encryption. But even if you're using the HTTPS, you're gonna need the encryption key of that connection. Using that, I don't know where you are using it until unless you're like sitting out of some pretty damn good office of someone, and you're trying to you're connected with their network and trying to fetch any useful information out of it. Or maybe someone is connected to your home network and have the your Wi-Fi access, and you want to see who is doing what. Other than that, I don't think I found any good use of it. So yes, if you're using it there, have fun. What I am talking about is a like real life scenario where it is actually getting used in that excessive amount. So yeah, if you are working for someone, if you think that their network is pretty open and you can connect with their network and you can use this tool over there to listen what sort of communication is going on there, and it is only helpful till there. After that, it is not a single damn bit helpful. It is not. But yeah, if you're having fun, good. Those who are learning networking and stuff, they should be known with these kind of encryption. Like if a friend of mine come to my home and connect to my network, so I can decrypt, but there is a limitation, bro. If he's your friend, he's at your home, just ask him to give his your laptop, give his your mobile. Why bother using this? Yeah, right. We need to install the SL certs. Okay, you was putting the example like if. Got it. Got it. My bad. My bad. Sorry. My bad. Okay, we got some ports. Pretty good ports. Good ports. And we gonna do not. We have good ports. What do we have on a good ports? We have. Whoa. don't tell me we have only 2 ports. One is 80 and the other one is 443. This is a total abomination. You did OSCP. Why should I need to do OSCP? I am learning for that, or rather learning for that, I'm actually creating notes for myself so I can perform better in the exam just by copy pasting the commands. That's it. I'm not learning, I'm just creating my own database over here. So yes, that's what's going on here. And if there's some new tricks and tips or whatever, I'm trying to learn that actually. Because to tackle a single problem, there are always multiple ways. So I'm trying to learn a second or third way instead of the single way I remember. So that's what I'm working on, and that's why I do live over here. And when some people join, so they can understand what the... Okay, I shouldn't be cursing over here. Okay, so they can learn what other possibilities are here. So when they try something, it doesn't put their mind over the locked space where they are just going through with the single scenario in their mind, and they don't give a check over the other scenario that could be there. So that's the thing. Fun tip: internet is better media for any kind of education. No need of other courses offline. We can get leaked courses too. It's just insane. Yes, it is insane, but here's the thing that even if you get the leak stuff, you are able to learn. First of all, if someone is putting effort there, right? Just no, just listen. I agree with you. I do the same stuff. I used to do the same stuff. Recently, I had a good chat with our CISO. So let me put this clear with you. So here's the thing. If you are writing some book, if you're writing some content that you think is worth to share with the people, got it? And you think it is exclusive, rather exclusive, you can get your lifestyle out of it. Would you sell that, or would you just give it away? We get this stuff from the market, that is totally understandable. But the problem here is we don't appreciate the others' effort that they're putting to provide us that content. Even if they're selling it, they are just doing it for their own stomach. Like they want to feed their kids and feed themselves, right? So some piracy is good, because if there is no piracy, we won't know what the hell is going in the market. But the excessive amount of piracy can be a bad. For example, I'm using this website over here to watch the anime. Reason: I cannot afford the subscription right now, any of the anime platform which is paid, and I'm not having that sort of money right now. But when I'll get it, I'm going to go to their subscription platform and I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna buy the subscription and pay them, because they are putting their effort. A single mangaka put in a single sketch total day worth of time. So I hope you people are getting my point over here. Even just a small level of piracy is good, but the excessive amount of piracy is also dangerous, because you're on other hand destroying someone else's job or hard work by doing this stuff. Okay, those who understood, love you guys. Those who don't, maybe someday in future when your content will be used like this way, and then you might understand what the point is here. And here you say, I JDU ने seat withdrawal कर लिया है India से who is JDU India National Defense Academy, but who is JDU? What's JDU? I would say JDU. I don't know. No politics. No politics. Literally zero politics. No politics. I didn't hear anything. I didn't see anything. No politics. I don't know anything about this. That's the very reason why I watch anime instead of TV serials or like news itself. My brain start hurting, bro, whenever I start like listening to the news. There is a different kind of emotions start setting fire in it in my heart, like because of the news channel. Like I don't give a damn if any news channel come here or say anything. I don't give a damn. Because of the news channel, half of the countries has been destroyed so far. It doesn't matter if it's in India, it doesn't matter if it's a UK, it's a US or whatever places. Just because of the news channels, they speak what they have fed on. Every news channel has like 70% contribution in the country destruction than any political party. Although political parties are like in a similar boat, but I would say the news channels are the real problem here because they don't show the real facts, and because of that there is so much hatred in the people. Either it will be like on a gender base, it can be on a like caste base, it can be on a religion base. Just because of that, the very reason why I don't tell where I am from. Do you think 0.1? What that 0.1 is? Okay, I'll take on that later if you explain like what that 0.1 is. But because of them, or like because of that, I don't share where I am from, because when I'll share where I am from, you guys gonna like form some sort of perspective about me. And because of that, if something I'll say in the future or in any other time, you guys will just say with that perspective that I am that kind of person, or maybe I'm not that kind of person anymore, but which I used to be before, but I have changed. So just because of those perspective, people start hating someone who has like no idea what was the reason why he said something like that, or what could be the reason why why he said something like on a similar note. So just because of that, I don't share where I'm from. Even if I do say I'm from India, but I never said from which state I'm from and what I do. Although you might be able to find it on some other platform, but this is one of the reasons why I don't share where I'm from. Although my nationality is India, I'm not gonna share my what my religion is, what my like what's my state and some extra stuff, but that can like help you form any sort of perspective about me. Got it? Maybe you already know my name and you might have already guessed the religion, caste, or whatever. But just because of this, there is so much complication in the society. I just sit in my room all day long because whenever I go outside, people are talking about that he has done this political party has done this. Who cares when you are not even getting a good medical health out of it? When something get hacked, you just create a blunder out of it. We got hacked and we got attacked, this, that. You're not even able to pay your employers a good salary. your GDP has dropped down from like a big number, which used to be, I think, around 7 or 3. I'm not sure. I don't remember that. I'm not that into politics or into economy, but you're getting my point, right? So because of this, I'm never gonna share where I'm from or whatever about myself. Maybe in future there will be some circumstances, or maybe if I'll think that it is now good to share about myself, then I'll definitely. But till then, no. Brother, it is increasing. You know how much toll it is putting over the middle class people? You are giving 30% tax on your whole income. Other than that, you are giving service tax, you are giving like what not other tax. You are giving the tax on your withdrawal, you are giving tax on your deposit, you are giving tax on your like daily life usage. You're buying a toothpaste, whatever you're buying, you're giving a tax on that. If you're like creating any sort of like income, if you're creating any sort of source, if you're even creating any sort of employment, you're giving tax on that. Let me show you some example of that. Let's see, whatever hell will happen, I don't care. Now I'll show you something. There is a company which is Grow, and Grow paid tax in India. See, over here, read this. You will understand what the hell is going on here. What they just did was they shifted from USA to India so they can employ the Indian people and they can like make them stand on their foot. And this is their financial year ending, the turnover, and this is how much tax they have paid. And US to India in May this year. The tax payout result in Grow clocking a net loss of 805 crores. It is not a small amount. $92 crores tax. They earn it. That's understandable. They don't even share with the people. They just, I can understand that they donate for good cause and for other stuff. But this, when you're actually employing a people, those who can grow in their career or those who can feed, these kind of payouts are like crazy, man. This doesn't set in any sort of criteria. Just because of that, I don't watch news and other garbage stuff. This is a different toll on the person head. When you're working somewhere, what they always tell you, you have this much package, this is how much is going into a tax. Like, I'm giving my 100% over here and like 60% of that is going in the tax. What? It doesn't make any sense, right? Even on your savings account, those are getting taxed. Your current accounts, those are getting taxed. One way or another, you're getting taxed. That $1 trillion GDP or whatever, that's just a hellish like fake or whatever the shit is. If you'll start writing a blog about this today, you will gather some good people, those who have the good knowledge of like political structure and the other stuff. You will see that they put like a good graph in your plate or like in the government plate. They might have already done it, but who gives a shit? Well, was the solution until unless people don't have to spend everything is going to crash. When the people start spending, that's when the money gets circulated in the market, and that's when how the other stuff start working. If you're just sucking out, there's nothing you can do. Why employers are cutting the salaries of people? There used to be a good salary, now they're just cutting here and there. The increment last year, let's see how much increment people must have got in the companies, other than the IPOs and some stuff. I have a few friends, they got like some got 4% increment, some got like 3%, some got 6%. So this is how much increment they got when they're working in the service-based company, where they are like giving their day and nights. I'm not against anybody, but what you're working with, what you're working on, that should make sense to people, right? You're just throwing cards. If it is your, is your. If it's not your, everything is mine. What the hell is that? This is not how life works. And you are, what was the solution? You will see there are many solutions given over the internet. You can see over the YouTube itself. You will be shocked that this solution, if they start implementing, you will understand those solutions. You will understand the reason why they are giving those solutions. Once you'll understand that those reasoning are like worth what they have given there, you won't complain about that. You will actually start questioning why the hell I'm like giving this much money there when I'm giving here. You are giving 30% of your salary. You're not even able to get a good medical health over here, like good medical hospitals, where you're paying the 2 lakhs for like recently. My mom had a like pain in her like left side of a kidney, or maybe stomach side. I don't know what happened. It wasn't a kidney stone or something, but for some reason she had like a damn bad pain, and she was suffering for like 3 days. For first 2 days we thought like it is some sort of like temporary pain, it will go away in 1 day or two. So we thought, let's fine, it's not that severe. Although she wasn't in pain and she couldn't say much. So on third day, when I saw her face that it is like dripping in a pain, that's when I decided, let's take her to hospital. And when we went to the hospitals, they said that the protein bar is so high, it is almost reaching the 98%. Because of that reach, it is putting toll on her kidney side, and because of that she has having a pain, and it is good that you bring her to the hospital, otherwise it could have been severe. Got it? But if I did the same thing, I went to the hospital in the government hospital. What they did, they just give the 3 injections. They didn't even like try to give some sort of test. They didn't even thought about giving any sort of like hospitalization. They didn't even thought about let's just admit her, like nothing. Just because of that, after getting the injection, they give her the painkiller, which is just to suppress the pain for 1 or 2 hours. What the hell is she gonna do after those 2 and 3 hours? That is a bullshit. Just because of that decision, I went to the private hospital, and I took her there. I still have the bills and stuff, although I cannot show here. Or maybe just give me a sec, maybe I'll be able to show you. I'll show you like only the 5 days, no operation, no anything. I think it was over the 1 lakh plus bill that they gave in my hand. Just give me a second. Let me pull it out. It should be here in the my docs. Over here, there should be a bill. Reports. This one. I knew it is gonna open here. So give me a sec. Let me pull it over here. Not this one. Insurance, this one. Yeah, this is the one. If I go all the way down, it should show that how much I have paid them. Where the hell is that? Not here. It seems... Here. This is how much a single room cost there. You see? The VIP suite, who cares about the VIP suite? 16,000 per day. Deluxe room, 10,000 per day. The single room where you just are going to be alone and one of your family member can visit and stay, 8,000 rupees. Private consultancy, and that's 1,000 rupees. If there is a doctor visit, just a visit, he's not even doing any sort of checkup or something, he's just visiting there just to get that you are in a good condition. He'll just check you and leave for whole day. He won't come back for that 1,000 rupees. And if in case any emergency doctor came and visit you, that cost 1,500 rupees. And if you are in the VIP suite, that cost just double itself. I don't know how, almost double. 22,000, like 2,250 rupees. Does that make any sense? Medical management, 40,000 single room, 30,000 twin sharing, 25,000 per day room, like this much. And only this, and including some medicines and injection, which I think was some, let me see if it is here somewhere. I should be able to say what those injections were. There was some gastric injections, there was some painkillers, there was some dehydration injections, there was some antibiotics, and there was some for, like, there was one injection for vomiting and nausea, or there was some for fever. Those are PCM. Just with this much, they cost like 1 lakh plus in the 5 days. Money goes like this. If you don't have the insurance at that time, how are you going to pay that much money in a single go? So when people say we have this much good GDP and it's going up, it is just a number that you are seeing and laughing. That, hooray, we are having this much money. Where is that money getting used then? Why you don't have the facility to admit someone in the hospital when this much GDP you are growing in the market? Why there are so much potholes on like road? Why there are so much accident because of that? Does that make any sense? And why the hell I'm shouting like that? I don't even watch the news. Just because of this reason, I stopped watching news. Because I want peace in my life. I don't give a damn what's happening in the government, what's happening other places. I know someday the same is going to happen to me and what I'm gonna say at that time. But still the same thing. Even if I say anything today, nothing going to happen. There might be some policeman or someone came into my door, knock the door and take me out. They don't give a damn. Even if I have like 1 lakh subscribers, they still don't give a damn. You guys gonna remember that for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year? What then? What after that? It's not that easy. Yeah, they have good choices, man. If you're going to Dubai, you have the best, one of the best world securities there. If you're considered a thief there, I don't know what sort of punishment they're gonna give you, but I don't know. They have a best secure roads in their country. They have good infra in their country. They have clean infra there in their country. They have like billion-dollar projects in their country. They are employing people from right here and there. So it's just the government and the media itself. They are just destroying the countries here and there. Like, I'm not only saying about it only in India. I'm saying same about the US. I'm saying same about the Canada. I'm saying same about the US. For all the places. As long as media come back to its like right platform where they are actually speaking the facts, people are gonna support someone less than how much they are supporting nowadays. They will start looking for the facts that this is a shit happening in our country and this is the person I want to support and this is the person I don't want to support. Whoa. I think I shouldn't have touched this topic. Now my head is hurting. I'm not gonna speak about politics anymore. That's the garbage topic to even think about or even talk about. The whole mood has been ruined. Sheesh. Okay. Let's forget about that. Nothing happened. I didn't say anything. All it is saved in the stream. If anyone wanna watch, I don't give a damn about the media, man. Just come here. If they have a like that much, if they're that much truth speaker, have a public debate in a public, then answer my questions there. Same for the government. Answer my questions there. I'll see there. Although I'm not sure if I'll be sitting in this room anymore or like they might take me somewhere or whatever. If I'm not visible here anymore, you can consider I has been taken. Okay. What the hell was we doing and where we haven't? Can someone remind me what was going on here? Damn it. What was we doing? This damn topic. Yeah, we was solving this box. And yeah, I was asking people to subscribe, guys. Like the video so more people can join. And don't put this one there. What I just said. Everyone is saying, but who gives a damn about that? People are just insects for the high status people. Okay. So I think I have said too much. So with this, let's take a break today. Take a chill pill. We're gonna continue with this box tomorrow and hope we can finish it tomorrow itself. So with that, I'll take my leave, guys. It's already 12:30 a.m. here. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, enjoy your night, whatever. And you enjoy the stream that you watched. And you might join me again. I'm not sure if after today you're gonna join. I'm not sure if someone's sentiment got hurt or whatever. But yeah, the fact is fact. So it cannot be bent unless this has been totally wiped out. So with that said, wherever you are, enjoy your day, enjoy your life, enjoy your time. So if you're in the same region as me, it's a night here. So have a great rest of your night and have a sweet dreams if you're going to sleep. If you're in some other region and you're watching me, have a great rest of your day enjoy to the fullest. And with that said, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Not this one, I post other content too. So like I said, over these videos that I posted pretty recent, if I get like 20 or 30 likes on all three of these, then I'm going to create new parts for these. Else I'm not gonna create more. This is going to be live parts, and if I ever start on a like subscription model where only members only content will be there, so I'm gonna post this content over there. Till then, I'm not gonna share this over here, because if you like, what people appreciate is what someone can serve, right? So with that, subscribe, like, share, and if any question, drop it in the comment. I check each and every comment you guys do, and I revert on them. You can check on any of the video that I have got comment on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have a great rest of your time. Bye bye.